Hot boy.
Huh?
I wonder what's in the trunk.
Oh, pop it.
Where's the trunk popper? There it is.
I found it. 212s. 210s.
Oh, he has his controller, boost controller built into the dash. This carbon fibre dash. Tons of stickers. And he has a Z in his ashtray. No, Matt?
This turbo?
No.
Look.
You think?
I don't know what the fuck is all that shit.
I don't know. Let's record it. Okay, close the window.
What?
Close that window, I say.
What? I can't. It won't let me.
It's locked.
Look.
Check see it's locked.
It's not locked no more.
God damn it. Fucking piece of shit. It's locked,
No,
motherfucker.
no, it's not. Look.
No, yeah, now it's up, now it's going up. Close it. No, bitch.
It's
Use
off.
that. Use it. Motherfucking piece of shit. Fucking card.
I mean, it's got turbo. It's turboed and on meth.
And on meth?
Methanol injection.
Damn. Where they keep the pipe at in there?
Right.
On meth.
Yeah.
Stick in there.
Because it's got a wide body kit. He's got a wide body kit on it.
A what?
A wide body kit.
That motherfucker looks fucking huge.
Yeah.
It's antenna.
That.
Yeah.
Maybe a possibility of back and antenna or just antenna? Probably just antenna.
It's all that shit.